Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add multiple accounts on Threads. Okay, first things first, open up your Instagram app. Head to your profile and press the drop-down arrow beside your username. When you click on that, there will be an Add Account option. Press that and you can either log into an existing account or make a new one. Because you need to have a multiple account in your Instagram first before heading to Threads. So, once you have included another account, you can now go and head to Threads. Press your menu and press Log Out. And now you are in the login screen. You now have the option to log into that account. Or press Switch Account to use one of your other Instagram accounts. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now add multiple accounts on Threads. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.